drinking bunch of Pepsis, so I'm gonna tell my brother Caillou about this. Caillou, come here. What is it, Rosie? Hip. I think I am sick. I got hiccups. Oh my goodness. I will tell my dad about this. Dad, come here. What is it, Caillou? Look what did something. My sister Rosie is sick because she has hiccups. Oh Jesus. I gave the medicine for hiccups. Don't worry, Rosie. You'll be okay. Here's your pill and bottle of water. Okay, thanks, Daddy. There. I swallowed the pill and drinking water. So, Rosie, stay in your bed and sleep. We hope you can feel better. Thanks, Daddy.